I've been using my Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max for about half a week now, and there are some interesting and fun features I really want to share. Each feature is incredibly useful and unique. Without further ado, let's get straight to the point. In recent years, escaping the city and exploring the outdoors has become the most popular way to de-stress. However, outdoor exploration comes with dangers and new scenario requirements. The Mate 80 series debut of the outdoor exploration mode integrates the phone's safety and control functions, from route selection to all-day track recording and, most importantly, emergency communication without network coverage. This allows ordinary users to easily cope with various outdoor challenges. Hold down the control center and click on the scenario mode to directly enter the scene. Altitude, latitude, longitude, compass, and track are displayed. Pre-downloaded offline maps allow for easy navigation even without a network. What if you suddenly lose network during your trip and get lost? Without network, open the satellite navigation app to communicate with teammates and check locations. Staying together is safer. Unexpected weather can happen. Even without network, you can check the weather via satellite, ensuring your outdoor challenges are not unprepared. When an emergency truly arrives, don't despair. Open the system's built-in outdoor survival manual. Teach you every rule of survival. Sending a distress signal via satellite can maximize your chances of being detected and buy you precious time to save your life. The screen on the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max uses a dual-layer OLED structure, officially called the Super Clear and Bright Screen. This dual-layer architecture ensures clear visibility even in strong sunlight, guaranteeing excellent performance in crucial scenarios like outdoor navigation and photography. Our tests showed a maximum manual brightness of 1000 nits and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. With a smaller display area, the brightness can be even higher. The dual-layer OLED architecture effectively reduces power consumption and extends screen lifespan while maintaining high brightness, delivering a top-tier screen experience. Huawei's most powerful imaging performance has been upgraded again. This time, HarmonyOS imaging has been upgraded to the second generation. The original peak capacity camera supports all lenses, including the main camera. Now, the colors of all lenses can be guaranteed to be consistent. Unlike the previous generation, switching cameras will change the color. Real-world sample photos show excellent color reproduction in complex lighting conditions, basically maintaining color performance consistent with the human eye. As the only manufacturer using RYYB, Huawei's tuning of it is becoming increasingly mature. The advantage of RYYB lies in its night shooting capabilities. The effect in the photo is even brighter than the naked eye. Of course, RYYB in the daytime is more prone to color cast. But fortunately, thanks to the red maple original color lens, such color cast has never occurred. There is also the Made Moment function, which automatically records the position parameters of the photo during shooting. After shooting, you can easily perform operations such as blurring and color grading to get good results. This time, the Pro Max also features an industry-rare dual periscope telephoto lens, a macro telephoto lens that supports super close-up focusing at a minimum of 5 centimeters, where every detail of the object is clearly visible, and a 6.2x telephoto lens that can also produce high-quality images at ultra-long distances. The Mate 80 Pro Max is equipped with a Snapdragon 70930 Pro chip, a 14+4 9-core architecture, and the debut of HarmonyOS 6 system. Officially, the overall performance is improved by 42%. We tested it by continuously launching over 20 mobile applications, and with the acceleration of the ARC memory engine, the experience was silky smooth. In gaming scenarios, it can run Honor of Kings at 120 frames per second with the highest graphics settings, and the frame rate performance is also excellent. Furthermore, the SoC supports hardware lighting in games like Dark Zone Breakthrough, accurately reconstructing the light in the scene to enjoy PC-level visual quality. As shown in the image, the marble floor and glass wall clearly reflect the light and shadow details of the ground, taking the gaming experience to a new level. With just a few words, Xiaoyi can handle your shopping insurance. Want to learn a new skill? You can teach her so she can automatically handle things like paying, claiming coupons, and checking in next time. Just dump all your mundane tasks on Xiaoyi. Xiaoyi, help me get a Meituan red envelope coupon. Xiaoyi, help me download the movie Neza 2 offline. She helps you get rid of repetitive magazine reading, so you can focus on every worthwhile task. She understands phones, understands emotions, and knows how to make you happy. How to protect your phone privacy in public places. Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max relies on integrated hardware and software protection to comprehensively safeguard your privacy. Are you always worried about sound leakage when making calls in elevators or shopping malls? Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max, with its self-developed integrated triple diaphragm speaker, effectively cancels sound leakage from the earpiece gap by emitting reverse waves through side holes. Combined with AI scene recognition technology, it ensures clear and smooth sound in your ear regardless of the environment. When making payments or performing facial recognition, 3D TOS technology ensures accurate identification, achieving a financial-grade security level. If someone attempts to spy on your phone, the system will automatically activate Anti-Spy Protection 2.0, locking the screen and issuing a prompt, comprehensively protecting your privacy. Always worried about sharing documents and pictures? Huawei Mate 80 series supports encrypted sharing, requiring authorization to open. Furthermore, screenshots and saving are disabled, and the screenshots will be automatically deleted after 1 hour of viewing, preventing the spread of leaks across the entire data chain. Whether you're playing games, taking photos and videos, or using a high-brightness screen, which of these functions doesn't generate heat? Huawei's Mate 80 features an ultra-cool dual-phase cooling system that delivers comprehensive heat dissipation. In real-world gaming tests, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max maintained lower temperatures during the same game session, with more even heat distribution. Even under prolonged high-load use, it maintained stable performance without overheating and throttling. Worried about your parents being scammed while you're out and about? And afraid of missing important messages from family? The Mate 80 series family protection feature perfectly solves these concerns. Bind 2 phones to a family account and enable the family anti-fraud function. When your parents receive a call, a pop-up notification will appear reminding them that they've received a scam call. They can then hang up the scam call with one click and block it, protecting their money. Too busy to answer the phone? AI Assistant can simulate your voice after pre-recording your voice, informing your family that you're unavailable or have an emergency, and that you'll call back later. It also summarizes any messages left by your family in the message, ensuring you don't miss anything while at work. From weekend hikes to remote anti-fraud, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max offers 8 highlights, each a thoughtful solution integrated into every detail of life. It understands the adventure needs of outdoor enthusiasts and the image quality pursuits of photography enthusiasts. A flagship product that truly understands your life is one that better understands the everyday expectations of ordinary people for safety and efficiency.